everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I'm updating you on my 30,000 subscribers and I think I have less than 200 less that I looked. So please subscribe and I am going to do a giveaway as soon as we hit that 30,000. So today is quick and easy day, and so this is a little treat holder I'm sharing. Isn't that cute? It's really, it's not big at all. It'll fit probably, I'd say 4 Hershey's Kisses, or maybe 2 or 3 Hershey's Nuggets, something like that. Or if you want to put Skittles in here, or M&Ms would work. It'd be really cute, but I thought it would be really cute for a birthday party favor. You can use it for anything. It'd be really cute for just a thinking of you, because this one says you melt my heart. But I'm going to tell you how big this is. A sour cream container, and it is 4 inches. So you're going to use a piece that's 4 by 4 for this little sour cream container. And if you've been around long, you probably know I've done several sour cream containers, but this is the smallest one I've ever done. But I had this idea in my head and I was going to make it work somehow. And I tried to make it a little bit smaller and it was just too small. You need to fit at least 3 or 4 little candies in it for it to be really a fun one. That's what I think anyway. All right, so we're going to get started with this really easy and quick. So I am using the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper, and this is the pattern that I'm using right here, and it's the ice cream cone pattern right there. So I am using the bundle, so I'm using the Sweet Ice Cream and the Ice Cream Punch. It's Ice Cream Cone Builder Punch. And so it makes this really quick and easy because we're just going to stamp and punch everything. And so it's really easy. So let's get going in stamping, and we will put together our sour cream container. All right, so I'm getting out my little chamois so that I can stamp these and then punch and then stamp the next color. So we're using Coastal Cabana. And this is so cute. If you want to make it even easier, you can cut out the Designer Series paper. There are some patterns in here, and you can use like these patterns here, and there's another one as well, this one right here, and also this one, and you can just punch the ice cream cone tops out of that. And I had one here to show you like that, and you can use those for your ice cream cones instead of stamping it. But I like the look of the stamping it better, just my opinion. But you can do it however you want. Make it even easier if you want to do these for a birthday. I don't want to cut the cone out, so that's why I trimmed that. So we're going to punch this one out. So that's one right there. And then I am going to stamp. I need to clean that one off first. Then we're going to stamp one that is Gorgeous Grape. And we're going to punch that one. And the reason I'm cutting each row is because, like I said, I don't want to cut the cone out. And I can save the other end for a sentiment. All right, so there's our other one. And the last one we're doing is Melon Mambo, and I think I'll do it right on this piece right here. So let's clean that one off. You can use your Simply Chamois, or this little chamois I've had for years. You can tell it doesn't look good, but I wash it every week and it works just as good. All right, so there's our Melon Mambo one. So oops, I should have done it the opposite way so I can punch this. So now I need to cut this. And I'm going to have to make a little extension on it so that I can punch it. I should have done it upside down. So I'm just going to use some Stampin' Seal. Just hold it. This is a little trick. If you haven't seen me do this before, I've done it several times. Because I'll cut it too short or something. Alright, so there's all 3 of our cones. I'll just take this off so I can use it again. We are going to stamp on the one that is Coastal Cabana, because that one is the lighter one and it'll show up more. And I'm going to stamp that You Melt My Heart. Just like that. It's so cute. I love the writing of that. And now we're going to make our cone. So what we're going to do here is I'm using tear and tape, and if you haven't made these before, you just put adhesive. I do it on all 3 sides. It just makes it easier for me than trying to put it halfway. I've done that before. And for me, it comes off just fine just doing it on all 3 ends. Don't overlap your tear and tape though. All right, so this side right here, we're gonna take off. I should have brought some Hershey's Kisses up here. And then you're just gonna, and sometimes I'll use my fingers just to kind of round it, or you can use your bone folder just to get it started. And then just line these up here. I need to peel that end back because I got it too long. So let me grab that. Just gonna peel that back a little bit. And then just bring this around. And you're just going to set that on there. Then I usually like to go to the other end, make sure those are, and then I will get my middle. And it looks like a little roll of toilet paper. And then I'm going to pull off this side, the tape, so it comes off really easy. This is the seam. So I'm going to press down there because that's going to be the back. And then you're just going to fill it with your candy first. But you can see you can fit quite a bit in there. And then I'll just pull the rest of that off. And then this one goes the opposite way. Like that. But this is going to be the top of our cone right here. So I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus, and we are going to start putting these on. So we're going to, I like to put this on because it's a little bit stronger. So we're going to start here. Maybe I'll move it down a hair. Just like that. Then we're going to put our next one on. And I'm kind of tilting them a little bit just to give it a little bit of interest. And then the top one right here. And actually, I could have brought it up a little bit further, but that's all right. It looks okay just like that. Isn't that cute? And then I am using my I've been dying to use this gingham tape. I think I've shown it in a few of my last videos, thinking I might use it. But just making a bow. By the way, this designer series paper is retiring. So if you want it, I would get it right away. I keep saying that, but I'm serious. Things go so fast from that retiring list. And I always have people asking if there's any way they can get it. And once they're gone, it's gone. That's why they put out that list. All right, so I put a little glue dot on the back, and I'm just going to put it right there. I might want to make that a little bit smaller. Just like that. Isn't it cute? I thought it turned out really cute, and it's really super, super easy and simple. So What I did was I just kind of squished it here to make it a little bit flatter, but look at that, isn't that cute? I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.